Hey everybody, hey, it's Alex with Trinity Roofing and Construction. I'm out here with my good friend Daniel out here with Trinity as well, and we are out here taking a look at this roof. And there's something that we wanted to show you is that this is going to be the point whenever solar companies install their solar panels, they need a place for it to safely mount to, and to tie off to. But the problem is that whenever they go back and they are done with the job, all solar panel companies' solution is to shove a piece of metal up underneath there. And the problem is that causes a lot of wind and rain right there. They can get in and lift and blow these shingles off. It's happening in multiple areas. Hey, listen, when it comes to solar panels, make sure you reach out to Trinity Roofing and Construction, because this is not the sub-level stuff that we do. We make sure you get taken care of. 214-455-3796. Y'all have a great day.